Hello, little learners. Welcome back. Today we are learning a brand new letter G. Can you say G with me? Let's go. The letter G makes a special sound. Listen carefully. G says G, G, G. Let's listen a poem for letter G.
G is for goat, who loves to hop. G is for grapes, juicy, pop, pop, pop. G is for guitar strumming along. G is for gift unwrapped with song. Guh, 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 what a great sound. G is the letter we just found.
Wow, you did an amazing job. Let's clap for learning the letter G. Do you want to learn more letters? Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun ABC song. Bye bye.